Just about every website needs data, even the simplest ones. Building data into your site is a task that can be hard, even though it doesn't always need to be. WebMatrix includes SQL Server Compact, which is small and simple and seamlessly embedded into the tool. It makes it easy for you to design your database. And it makes it easy for you to write the code that you need to turn that database into an application that your users can access. Not only that, SQL Server Compact databases don't require a separate database server. They're file-based, so to deploy them, you don't need to rent a separate data server, saving you time and money. And it just works. And if your site is successful and you need to scale up, it's easy to migrate to commercial grade or cloud databases because SQL Server Compact is fully compatible with other editions of SQL Server. WebMatrix is data made simple.